Hi guys, I'm going to Bhimtal and this is the route. I'm already late and I called some of my friends who are on the way. I'll be catching up with them. So let's go. And there was sudden heavy fog on the way, and it suddenly turned out to be very foggy. Here I wanted to stop just for a few seconds, just to make sure that I get my phone back in the tank bag. Because of the heavy fog, I had to make sure my phone doesn't get wet. Here it felt like there was a heavy traffic, and it actually was because there was a toll booth ahead, and I clearly couldn't see anything due to the fog. After riding continuously for over an hour, I thought to just pause for a little while, enjoy the cool breeze. I just made a small halt for around maybe a couple of minutes. My friends were not far; they were just a few kilometers away, and then I was able to catch up with them. We stopped here at Gill Brothers Dhaba for lunch. And after lunch we just packed up and we were ready to go. It was a small halt just to make sure we all get back together. We are here now. So once we reached to the cafe, we ordered some snacks and tea and then headed back to a friend's place for the night.